I'll guide you to see your comments on YouTube. So open the YouTube first. From there, you need to go ahead into your profile, which means you here. And after going over there, you need to tap on the settings, which is over the top. And you need to scroll down to find manage all history. For me, it is in the midway down. You can find it in the over top for you or otherwise over the below for you. So let's tap on manage all history. After opening, here you could find your watch history and search history. Now, let's say if you need to see your comments, you need to go to the interactions, which is beside the controls. Tap over there, and in the video interactions, if you scroll down like this, you could find comments and replies, which is the third option for me, and that might be different for you. So, let's tap over there, and here you could see all comments that you made on the YouTube. So, let's say I have commented one, so I could see only one. If you have commented over the YouTube videos, you could scroll down to find all your comments on YouTube. This is how you see your comments on YouTube. Thank you.